Before I try this helmet on the head, I have to comment on the orgasm of peeling off these stickers here. It's like one of those super nice. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another little vloggy vlog, or better yet, a motorcycle unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a long time, and this is a perfect opportunity to do just that, as I got my new helmet. And by the title of the video, you already know what it is, but let me just set it aside for now. And I'll just discuss quickly the helmets I've had before. This is my very first helmet I ever had. This is the Shoei RF 1100, and this puppy is 6 years old at this point. As you can see, it has plenty of battle scars and wounds, and you know, it's been through a lot. I rode cross country in this helmet. To California from New York, and it has been a good helmet, but it's clearly beat up and has to be retired straight up. This is my helmet that I use regularly nowadays. It's a Shoei RF 1200, and this is my daily. And I do like it. It's pretty, you know, straightforward. It's a premium helmet. I guess it's like a cheap premium helmet. I don't know what the category is, but this is, if this one is 6 years old, this one is 5 years old, which is, you know, also quite a bit of time. But this one was super quiet, super light, high quality, obviously, and it's just been perfect. I got my Senna set up, I got my GoPro set up, but this one was getting tired. It was getting loud, because clearly I could replace the pads, the cheek pads and other pads, and, you know, refurbish it a little bit, but I figured it was time. It was time for the big Kahuna. And the big Kahuna is the AGV K6. First time I saw this helmet was actually at the New York motorcycle show, where I was at with NYC Scrambler, and I spotted the helmet from afar. It's a Nardo gray helmet, and I know you just want me to unbox it, but I'm gonna bullshit for a minute. And the color was just like popping. And I've tried AGVs before, but they squeezed my head weird. So if you're one of those people who always wears Shoeis, give the K6 a try, because you never know, it might fit you. So anyway, the best helmet for any use, made from technologies developed by MotoGP. Comfortable, versatile, safe for the road, blah blah blah, yada yada, fantastic. A protector that exceeds every expectations, security, nice. Yes, I want to express myself. I got carbon fiber shell, blah blah blah, professional MotoGP riders guarantees. And also another reason why I wanted AGV is because Rossi owns part of the company, and it's Italian. You know, it's an Italian helmet. Every detail is designed to protect, you see? Every detail of K6 is designed to guarantee the safety of its wearer. Visor mechanism is small, blah, blah, blah. World standard, good. Oh, good. Nice, I like it. Ultravision, see more. Guarantees 190 degree of vision on the road, corners, obstacles, blah, blah, blah. Anti-fog system, beautiful. We got a pin lock, nice. Airflow, blah blah. I like it, I like it. There's a chin guard, high level characteristics, and there's still confidence, sweet. Put it on, barely feel it. 2.7 pounds. Well, that depends on the size of the helmet, because the largest are actually 2.9 pounds. So 2.7, I'd imagine it's the smallest, but hey, that's pretty damn good. It's the lightest helmet ever in its category. Ever. Comfort. Comfort. Quality of the interior really makes the difference. It's true. It's super, super nice. It's super luscious. And I know you hate this part, but I'm a nerd. I'm gonna flip through this whole goddamn book with you guys. The external lining is made of waterproof Wearproof, waterproof material. Yes, 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 yes. Breathable fabric, blah, blah, blah. Perfect ventilation, no matter what the road you take. But you know what? This is actually one thing that may not be true, because Revzilla, I'm sure you look at reviews on Revzilla as well. But Revzilla actually said this helmet gets a little warm. But we shall see. But basically, there's a central system, blah, blah, blah. You can do it while wearing gloves. And there is the visor comes with micro lock. Delicious. Cuts through air without moving. Aerodynamics you can feel. Psh, oh yeah. Aerodynamics not only help with lap times, they also help with stability at high speeds. Also comfort for both sports, hairpin turns, and during long trips on highway. Because I do all that shit. Haha. Always the right position for maximum performance. Yes. See? You can like lean in and blah, blah, blah. Sweet. Cool. So balanced, it's even lighter. Shit. Good. Yeah. Nice. Dynamic feel. So it depends on how you're leaning. It's going to be lighter or heavier. Then we got color options. Yes, 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 yes. Nardo Gray is #1. That's the hot ticket, though. That's what everybody wants. We got protection. We got all sorts of optical, tactical, rear vents, blah, 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 and whatever. So, well done. Well done. Now, this is the pin lock. And the helmet actually comes with a pin lock. So, if you're not familiar with pin locks, they're super easy, super helpful. I always wear a pin lock because riding without a pin lock, you learn quick. You learn quick that it's not the gym. All right, fine. Enough is enough. Let's open this puppy. Oh, how to fit a helmet. Ooh, but that's fine. I already fitted myself. I know what to fit. Ooh, so let's go through it. You know what I mean? Let's nerd out. We don't have to rush. You know, there's no rush. This only happens. The thing is, new helmet day happens rarely. It's a very rare day. So this is silicone for the. You know what? I actually need to look into it. I'm not sure what this is for. I know it's for the rubber, for the sealing, for the something, but I don't know. This right here is the chin curtain. Adorable. Cute. Big sticker. Nice. Little sticker. Cute. Warning. This helmet meets and exceeds expectations, blah, blah, blah. Good. Ooh, we got a big manual with all sorts of helpful hints. Nice. I do like the logo. Good quality. And then this is safety warnings. It's about don't drill. Yeah, don't drill, don't spray paint. Awesome. I'm going to look at that later. What is this? Market warning. Yeah, sure. That's great. And then this is some safety stuff. Some more. So let me take all of this and put it over here. Whatever. Now it's time for the big Kahuna. Nice. The box is cute too. Black box. And on the box, we got all of this stuff. Nice. Cute. Adorable. Big fan. The box is like sturdy. Big fan. All right. I'm going to stop geeking out and start geeking out. Ho ho ho, ho ho, ha ha. Here we go. Bomb. A little too eager. Oh my god, I don't know how to take out a helmet. That was not graceful at all. I was trying to be all gracious and shit, but. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. God damn, the color is so good. It makes me want to take a bite. It makes me want to eat it. Like I legit want to take a bite. Oh, it's perfect. What's going on here? Tags, blah blah blah. So anyway, so here we go. Here's the vents. 1, 2, 3. So here's the, clicks down, push this like that. This lifts up. Some nice action there. Nice. Some good vintage. Nice. So then we got cute little, so that's where the mouth guard goes. As you can see that there's some pads. There's plenty of room for speakers, and speakers go under right here, so you can't even tell, which is kind of nice. I know you can't even tell right now, but there's like a little curtain over the speakers, so the way they don't fall out and whatnot. Oh, this is really nice. I really like the little detail, little Italian flag here. This is standard. Nice. Good. The helmet feels so light. I don't even know. But so we just see, like, we can, so this right here means it's cracked. There's just a crack. Nice. So this is just like a crack. Then you push it more, boom, to get the whole thing out. And I actually tried a new RI helmet as well, but I'm lame. I really wanted this one really bad. So yeah, this is the helmet. And should I put it on and show you guys what I look like in it? Probably. It's probably a good idea. That's probably the next natural step. Ooh, because obviously you guys are gonna see me on the bike in it. And yeah, but it fits perfectly into my cute little helmet collection here. Look, look. It's like adorbs. 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 Aww. Cute little motorcycle helmet collection. All right, let me pop this puppy on my head and see how it is. And this is what the curtain looks like when installed. Super nice. And this material is super soft, like I mentioned. It's definitely premium, for sure. Before I try this helmet on the head, I have to comment on the orgasm of peeling off these stickers here. It's like one of those super nice, gorgeous stickers. And now I can put it over here. That's perfect. And I can assure you, it's only downhill from here, because this helmet will never be this clean and perfect ever again in its fucking life. All right, let's try it on. And there we go. This is the helmet. It feels perfect. It feels really good. Yeah, I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to ride it and see. Like, it literally has a perfect, it fits perfect. That's one of the reasons why I really wanted to try this helmet, is because of the fit. The fit is spot on. It's like, it was like made for me. And I love the color. And obviously the GoPro doesn't do it justice, you know, but it's pretty damn good.